Well, Mommy and Daddy got themselves a new Nissan. It's called a Qashqai. And I don't recall the last time you bought a new car, but
yeah, neither do I.
This is a good one.
Yep.
I like it.
Yeah, I think it's great. Well, that deserves a car hug. Give him a car hug. Okay, take me a little tour. Let's go inside. Just start her up let's go inside, take a look inside the car.
Well, Jay, it's a lot easier to get in now than before, isn't it?
Yeah, 4 doors. Yeah, this is, there we go.
Where are you, sweetie?
I'm right here.
Is he going to let you drive his new car?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to.
So all you need is a tent and hot plate and a plug-in cooler, and you got yourself a mini RV.
A roll of toilet paper.
And a roll of toilet paper. Gee, this will be like getting a new VCR for you, eh?
Yeah, really.
The sport wheels. They threw that in?
No, I threw it in.
West Coast?
Go down.
Yeah, the seats go down. Yeah, you can't beat a hatchback. Okay, you can close it now. There we go.